Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up a responsive landing page with Webflow, complete guide step by step clearly. Start by logging into your Webflow account. Once logged in, click on the New Project button. Choose a blank template to give yourself a clean canvas. After your project opens, you will see the Webflow Designer interface. On the left sidebar, you'll find the Add panel. Click on the plus icon to open it. Drag a section element onto the canvas. Within the section, add a container for consistent spacing. Now, insert a heading element inside the container. Set the text to something engaging like "Welcome to our service." Next, add a text block below the heading. Use the text block to describe your service briefly. Following that, drag a button element below the text block. Label the button with a clear call to action, such as "Get Started." To style your elements, click on each and adjust properties in the right panel. You can alter font, size, color, and margin to match your branding. Now, let's add an image to enhance visual appeal. Drag an image element into the section. Choose an image that represents your service well. Next, it's time to create a responsive design. Click on the device icons at the top of the designer. Test your design on desktop, tablet, and mobile views. Make necessary adjustments to ensure a seamless look across devices. Now, let's add more sections for credibility. Drag another section below your first. Insert a heading and a text block to introduce client testimonials. You can also add images or icons to visually represent each testimonial. Now, add a final section for the footer. Include links to relevant pages, such as privacy policy and contact us. Lastly, click on the Publish button to see your landing page live. Monitor the responsiveness by resizing the browser window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.